Hello, and today this is Theory speaking, and today I will be teaching you how to do a simple wish spell. Shut up, Lincoln. That's my dog, Lincoln. He's somewhere out there. But, yeah, what you will need for this spell is a white candle, a piece of paper, a lighter, and your intentions. Easy, right? To increase the power of the spell, but totally optional, crystals that match your intention, and maybe you want to anoint the candle with some oils, which I have done. The oils I used was a special mixture for psychic awareness and luck. Very nice. So, what you're going to do first, of course, is purify your area. I've already taken the liberty of doing that with my sage incense, because I prefer to cleanse my space with incense. You can chant or use a quartz crystal. Just do whatever you feel feels right. So, the first thing you want to do for this spell is, of course, light your candle. And while that lights, I'm just gonna... There we go. I'm gonna move you on to the next step. Segue! You want to take your piece of paper and write your wish on it. Be as detailed as possible. I've already done that. My wish is to have the motivation to work on my craft and grow. Very simple wish. Yeah. So, what you need to do is fold your wish in half. Hot dog style, hamburger style, doesn't matter. Now that you got your wish folded, you wanna, I missed a step. So, you wanna read your wish to the candle. To have motivation to work on my craft and grow. Fold the wish in half. Now, you chant as many times as necessary. Sorry, by the way, I had to look up the chant. As this paper burns, my wish will show. As the spell returns, my goal will show. And I'm just gonna put that in my little burning plate. And chant that as many times as necessary. Burn up your little wish here. And as you end your spell, you thank whoever's present if you cast a circle. I did not. And then you say, of course, the old line, so mote it be.